done one of these Milwaukee grinders. I'll do another one. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. This one could be dead. Same. Bad bearing. Did it survive? Maybe. Change the bearing and see it happens. Right, one new bearing. Not going to do much more to this until I test it, because this one may be gone already. Nope, she's good. That's right. Finished cleaning her out, dusting her off, making sure everything's alright in it. And that's where we go back in and make sure. That's a piece of the inner race of the last bearing that actually came off. That was still inside the machine, so got stuck back onto the armature whenever I put it back on. So I know it's working. It's all cleaned out, ready to go. That's all sorted now. It's not often when they don't start at all that they will run once you put a bearing on. That one was just seized because of that failed bearing. That's it. Another one fixed. If you have a Milwaukee 4.5-inch cordless grinder, these brushless ones, no matter what generation, make sure you order a decent 605 bearing for the back of it. Don't wait till it fails. Once you hear it going rough at all, or even once you had it a few months, change that bearing, because the one that comes with is very, very bad.